we're covering how to buy shares of Neuropace Inc., ticker NPCE. Neuropace develops implantable neurostimulation devices and trades on NASDAQ. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NPCE to find the company listing. Select the matching Neuropace Inc. entry to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a short company description and the NPCE price chart. Double-check the name and ticker to confirm you are on the correct Neuropace Inc. listing. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the example shown.